In the last video we have discussed about the bitwise operator, and in this video we'll discuss about the logical operator. Let's start. Okay, in Java how many logical operators we have and what are the purpose of using them? In Java we have three logical operators. One is logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. Let's do the hands-on and see what output we'll get. The main thing is the logical operator returns the boolean value. Okay, so let's start with logical AND. Let me declare two variables. One is boolean A equals to true and boolean B equals to false. You can see the value of A is true and the value of B is false. So what the purpose of using logical AND? So logical AND compares two values. If two values are true, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. You can see I am writing boolean AND B. So see, we have put the logical AND. So what this logical AND will return? The value of A is true and the value of B is false. So it will return false. This is as simple as your data logic. What AND basically does, it multiplies the value of A is true, it means 1, and the value of B is false, 0, so the output will be 0, so we'll get false. So let's print the output. Println AND. So what output we'll get false. Java C hello.java and Java hello. See, we have got false. So this is what logical AND does. Now we'll talk about the logical OR. So what logical OR does? If one of the value is true, it will print true. See, the value of A is true and value of B is false. If one of that is true, it will print true. See, let me compile this code into a logical OR code. So I have put the logical OR. Let me convert this into OR. As you can see that the value of A is true and the value of B is false. What this logical OR basically does, the value of A is true and the value of B is false. Suppose the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 0. If we perform the addition, then what output we'll get? We'll get 1. So the value we'll get, that is true. Because one of that is true, A is true, that's why we'll get true. Okay, so let me compile this. Java C hello.java, we have compiled that successfully, and Java hello, we are getting true. So what logical OR does, it returns true value if one of that is true. Okay, now we'll talk about the last portion, that is called logical NOT. So what this logical NOT basically does, it converts the return value inversely. Suppose we are getting true, it will convert that into false. Suppose we are getting false, it will convert that into true. As you can see from this line, what output we'll get true. And if we put a NOT sign, suppose here we are putting a NOT sign, so what output we'll get? The value is written from here, that is true, and it will convert that into false. I'm converting this OR into NOT. If we print the output, then suppose see Java C hello.java Java hello. See what we are getting? We're getting false. Why we are getting false? This line will return true and it will be converted into false. So this is what basically your logical NOT does. In this video we have talked about the logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. In the next video we'll talk about the ternary operator.